Dude, that's impressive for 4 hits. Use discount code JACOVIRAL to save when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. Links in the description. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video. How you doing, man?
Good.
You want to tell me what you got real quick first?
Yeah, it's 4 X8s on a SCV 6K on 45 amp hour lithiums.
Is it sealed or ported?
It's ported through the rear deck.
Alright. Wow. Did you build this?
Yep.
Nice. 2 ports?
2 6-inch ports.
6-inch. Alright. What vehicle?
2006 Mustang.
Mustang. Alright. What are these subs rated at?
750 RMS.
750? Okay. And what was your name?
Patrick.
Patrick. Alright, nice to meet you. And what are you wired down to?
1 ohm.
1 ohm.
1 ohm.
Alright. That's what I want. Nice door speakers. What are these? J Audio? Nice.
Testicles sounds like testicles, but it's bigger.
Yeah. Hey, I work hard every motherfucking day. Feeling real good. Think you gon' talk shit? You better know. Why you do that? I don't know. Be like.
That's impressive for 4 hits, especially in the back, you know what I mean? Not walled off. I guess that was your goal, to impress with loads, small subs?
Small subs, lows.
That's right. Heck yeah. Thanks for the demo, man.
No problem, thank you.
What was it tuned to?
30 hertz roughly.
30 hertz, okay. Man,
It peaks at 30.
Yes, sir.
It's a 52 at 30 hertz.
Thank you for the demo, man. I'm gonna go check out the alternator in the back.
Go ahead.
Woo. Awesome.
Sounds like testicles, but it's bigger.
One in the focus over there. 318.
Nice to meet you, man. Thanks for the demo.
Thank you.
Thank you. It's awesome. That was pretty good, man.
Hey, what? That's impressive, right?
Yeah, and I didn't expect it the way you built the box really well. That's good.
Hey, I work hard every motherfucking day. To the spot, feeling real good. Think you gon' talk shit, you better know. But it's why you do that, I don't know. Yeah, used to be like
Dude, that's impressive for 4.8. Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JACOVILE when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.